All right, curly heads. So for today's rendition of Self Care Sunday, I'm going to give my hair a little extra TLC, being that I just recently straightened my hair after I hadn't done so for over a year. So I'm starting it off by using aloe vera. This is straight from an aloe vera plant that I have at home. I broke one of the leaves off and decided to just put it straight on my hair. I'm starting off with my scalp. And the reason I'm doing this is because everything I've been told all of my life and have read recently says that aloe vera is really good for hair growth as well as moisture. I tend to be a little more thinner or less dense at the top with my hair. So I'm hoping it will kind of help thicken that part up there. If not, no big deal. Once my hair is curly, it looks nice, full, and thick anyway. Nonetheless, I'm trying to make sure I undo some of whatever damage I may have done by straightening my hair. So now I'm going in with the Olaplex number 3, which is what it does is that it repairs and strengthens all hair types. And let me tell you, I have been using Olaplex for some time now, and the number 3 is absolutely one that I will swear by, and I will probably spend this ridiculous amount of money I spent on it again because I do see a difference, even if I don't use the other ones in the line, like number 4, which I believe is the shampoo, and number 5 is the conditioner. Just using number 3, I definitely see the difference in my hair. So I went ahead, put some of that in there right over the aloe and throughout the rest of my hair. And I'm just twisting it to make sure it stays in there, stays nice and saturated. And you know I'm not going to let any of it go to waste. So I made sure to put all that aloe right on my ends. Doing the same thing on the other side now. Taking the Olaplex number 3. And as you can see, I'm doing this on dry hair. I think the instructions say to do it on damp hair. But at this point, because my hair was straightened, I felt that my hair would easily soak it up. And I didn't need to dampen my hair. You know, and now that I'm reading the instructions, I think I'm a little confused because I always thought you had to use number 3 first, and then number 4, which is the shampoo, and then number 5, but I tend to use the shampoo first, and then number 3, because I like detangling with this better. I feel like it softens my hair a lot more than number 5, which is the conditioner. But for this instance, just because I'm not using the rest of the Olaplex line, I went ahead and did number 3 first with my aloe to really repair the hair. After leaving it on for about 20 minutes, I then used Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo, as well as the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which, let me tell you, it left my hair so soft. I think the combination of everything just worked out perfectly. Look how shiny. Anyway, then went in with the Briogeo Curl Charisma leave-in, and then I used Ouida's Climate or Advanced Climate Control Gel. This is my first time using the Briogeo line. I think I got a sample once in an Ipsy bag and decided to try it again now that I'm fully natural. This is my curl mister, which, by the way, let me tell you, if you're trying to do wash and goes or just style your hair in any way, needing a spray bottle, if you do not have an actual mister that mists out the water as fine as this one does, you will not have as good of a result. And I can tell you this because I own about 5 other different spray bottles. Anyway, so I'm using the Briogeo Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. And this cream, let me tell you, felt so rich and soft while I put it in my hair. I really liked it to the point that I really wanted to leave it in there by itself. But I knew I needed to go in with a little gel. So again, I used Ouida's Advanced Climate Control Anti-Frizz Nanotechnology Heat and Humidity Gel. Very long, I know. But this gel supposedly is really good and helps out with issues with the climate. Well, I shouldn't say that, not issues with the climate. It does not fix global warming. But what I mean is if you're in an environment where it's very humid, in my case, it had been raining all weekend, so it was super muggy. So that's why I decided to mix it with this gel. And I just dropped that whole bottle on my foot. You're going to see what happened. Yes, that's blood. I ripped the whole skin off of my pinky toe. Nonetheless, I digress. Let me continue with the pain in my feet. Anyway, continuing to spray on through the rest of the hair, making sure, as always, that my hair is completely saturated in water before applying it. I part my hair specifically this way because, again, I am thinner up top and my hair is more fine. So I want to make sure that the way that I style my hair and put my products in there, I will then end up with volume when I diffuse my hair. So I don't like to split it in the middle. I do not like having a hard part. I tend to kind of do a little diamond shape or a triangle so that the middle part can all be styled in just one section. And then I'll do a hard flip back like you kind of saw there. I don't really go into my edges anymore, like trying to do anything. And voila, these are my results. Again, just using Briogio's leave-in and Ouida's Advanced Climate Control Gel. Now I'm just going in with Olaplex No. 7. The little oil, it's a bonding oil, which I love. It's so fine. Just putting some of that in there. Make sure it's all nice and fluffy. And these are my results. If you found this video useful in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like. Thank you for watching. Till next time.